Hello guys, welcome back with me, Chow Chow 2025 in Learning Excel. Now we're going to learn about making regression, like we said on the last video. And how to make regression is first, there's two ways. You could make a scatter chart first, or you just end up using formula. First, I'm going to show you how to make regression using scatter chart. First, you could make a scatter chart like the last video. So I'm not going to show you how. Now from the current scatter chart, you click it, you click this plus chart element, and then you choose trend line, select more options, and here you could add display equation on chart. This is the regression, and this is the R square, where it's gonna show you where the models or the regression model that it creates it's good or not, the larger or the higher is better. So if you have like 18% R square, I think it's quite good. 7 is, yeah, you could use that. Also, it's depend on what you want to analyze. That is the first way. Of course, you could also remove outlier and stuff to increase the R square. Next is using formula. First, there is the component of regression, that is intercept and the slope. So just use the obvious thing that intercept. What the intercept is to choose now known y-as, that is the dead number, and known x-as is the confirmed stat. So this is the intercept. It's the same number, right? And that's the slope. Yeah, use the slope. And it's the same thing. Okay, this is the same formula. And then we need the correlation. So use correl. Doesn't matter what you choose because it's correl. X first or Y first, I think doesn't matter. We have the correlation of 87%. And then the R square is just correl quadrats or correl times correl. Okay, this is the same. So how we use it? Is, man, that to use the regression, you just your data example you have now, just use this. It's gonna be intercept plus slope times the data. So gonna be that much? I don't think so, but that's not the case because this is a country. There's no country like 1,000. So yeah, it's a million. Example 400,000. Yeah, that's more like it. And like I said, when will you use graph or formula? I think formula is way better. Graph is good if you want to exclude outliers, like draw shape here, rectangle shape with no fill, and you decide what you want to take out from your data. That is, for example, is Brazil. Let's make this right now, like this. So I'm gonna take out Brazil and see the correlation is going to change. See, it increased the R square from 66 to 67. And formula is working if you just want to make a simulation. So I usually do both, so it's easier for me to see the result and then progress. If the result not make sense, not gonna use it, because I'm in business, I'm not in pure academics. So sometimes you need things that make sense in business. Anyway guys, I think that's it for regression. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, to share, and have a nice day. Don't forget to comment and subscribe too. Bye.